You're trying to watch something on your Firestick, and suddenly you get error 5005. The app won't load, nothing's working, and you're stuck staring at an error screen. Let's fix this right now. Most of these solutions take less than 2 minutes. Error 5005 shows up most often on Crave TV, but it can hit Prime Video, Disney Plus, and other streaming apps too. It's usually a cache issue, a login glitch, or a connection problem. We're going through each fix, starting with the fastest ones. First, force, stop the app and clear the cache. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. You'll see a list of everything installed on your Firestick. Find the app giving you the error and select it. Date. Hit Force Stop first and confirm that. Now select Clear Cache. Don't hit Clear Data yet. That will log you out and erase your preferences. Just clear cache for now. Go back to the home screen and try opening the app again. For most people, this fixes it immediately. If that didn't work, restart your Firestick properly. And I don't mean turning your TV off. The Firestick stays powered when you do that. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, then Restart. Let it fully reboot. This takes about 30 seconds. Or for a hard restart, unplug your Firestick from power completely, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears the memory and resets any background processes causing problems. If you're getting error 5005 specifically on Crave TV, there's a login issue that causes this often. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, find Crave. This time hit Clear Data. Yes, this logs you out. That's what we want. Open Crave again. Sign back in with your email and password. Crave's authentication tokens get corrupted sometimes, and a fresh login fixes the handshake between the app and their servers. Still seeing the error? Reinstall the app completely. Navigate to the app on your home screen, then hold down the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Select Uninstall and Confirm. Once it's gone, go to the App Store, search for the app by name and download it fresh. Sign back in. This gives you the latest version with any bug fixes and completely removes corrupted files from the old install. Error 5005 can also mean connection issues with the streaming servers. Go to Settings, Network, and check your Wi-Fi signal strength. If it says weak or fair, that's likely your problem. Try forgetting the network and reconnecting fresh. This resets the Wi-Fi authentication. Or if you have a Fire TV Stick 4K or newer, use an Ethernet adapter for a wired connection. Democrat way more stable for streaming. Last resort is factory reset. This erases everything, and you'll have to set up your Fire Stick from scratch. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, reset to factory defaults. Only do this if nothing else worked, but it fixes error 5005 when everything else fails because it eliminates any software corruption completely. To prevent this from coming back, keep your apps updated, restart your Fire Stick once a week, and clear app caches monthly. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below. Full written guide with screenshots is on mrgrid.io, link in the description. Hit subscribe for more Firestick fixes.